I've been using the Calm the Red Down Dual Chamber Redness Treatment Serum, and I must say it's been a game changer for my skin. This serum is specifically designed to target redness and blotchiness, and while it doesn't completely eliminate my redness, it definitely helps to calm and soothe my skin. The serum has a lightweight texture that absorbs quickly into the skin, leaving no residue behind. The tinted formula helps to even out my skin tone, reducing the appearance of redness and blotchiness. I love that it provides immediate results, calming down my irritated skin and reducing inflammation. What impresses me most about this serum is its unique dual-chamber formula. The Redness Repair Barrier treatment and the Instant Redness Corrector work together to target the root causes of redness and blotchiness, providing both short-term and long-term benefits. The serum is also packed with impressive ingredients, including Hexapeptide-9, Azelaic acid, Centella stem cells, and Annonasense. These ingredients work together to rebuild the skin barrier, reduce inflammation, and calm stressed skin. Overall, I'm thoroughly impressed with the Calm the Red Down Dual Chamber Redness Treatment Serum. If you struggle with redness and irritation, I highly recommend giving this serum a try.